Hi, my name is Atenda and I'm going to show you how to achieve this effortless high pony look with Zala clip-in ponytail hair extensions. So I'm going to start by slicking my hair up and back. I like to soften my hair first by adding my favorite leave-in conditioner. I feel like this just helps the gel to kind of stick to my hair and makes slicking it back a lot easier. So now I'm brushing my hair back, trying to figure out exactly where I want my pony to be. It's really up to you, but this time I decided to go for a really high pony, and I'm just using my favorite gel to slick my hair back, making it all nice and smooth, and following in with a bristle brush just to make sure that I get it as smooth and as slick as I possibly can. Now you want your ponytail to be as secure as possible. You don't want to risk it falling off throughout the day. So what I'm going to do is, after I've tied my hair up into where I want my ponytail to be, I'll braid up whatever hair is left out, and then I'll wrap it around itself to make a really tight bun. Just making sure that that's also secure with a bobby pin. I also like to tie my hair up with a silk scrunchie just because that's a lot kinder on your hair and will cause less tangles at the end of the day. Today I'm using the Ultimate Length 100% Human Hair 26-inch ponytail in the shade Natural Black 1B. That's the shade that works the best with my hair, and as you can see, it has like a little comb and some Velcro for when you wrap the end around. A little trick that I like to do is, sometimes when you're putting the ponytail on, it can get a bit messy, the hair gets tangled. The best thing that I've discovered is to braid up the length of the ponytail first. It just helps to keep it separate, and that way you can get the cleanest, slickest looking ponytail possible. And then I just pop a clip on it to make sure that it's completely out of the way, and now I get to put our ponytail on. I'm placing the comb right at the bottom of my bun and pushing it in so that it's nice and secure. And then I'll take this little part of the hair that's left out and wrap it right around the base, making sure to cover up the Velcro as I go around, and that way it looks as natural as possible. You want to do this until there is no more hair left, and make sure you secure it with another bobby pin right at the back and tuck it in nicely, making sure the ponytail is secure. And now we get to undo our braid and we have our ponytail. Depending on what you want, you can leave it here. I love how it looks straight. It's beautiful and sleek, but today, as you can see, I was going for a little bit of a ballet core aesthetic, so I decided to take my curler and just curl the ends. And that's what I really love about having a human hair ponytail extension. You can make it straight, you can make it curly or wavy, whatever you want to do. So I split the ponytail in half and curled little sections bit by bit, curling away from my face. This is what it looks like freshly curled without brushing it out. As you can see, you get more of a defined curl, but if you want a more softer look, you can take a bristle brush and brush through it, and this gives you some really gorgeous soft waves. And there you have it. That is the final look. It's super quick and super easy to do. Definitely try it out for yourself and see how you go.